Artificial intelligence, not a new thing at all. Problem number one, large language models lie, they lie convincingly. They get things wrong. When you ask a question of ChatGPT, it doesn't know what the truth is. It's got no conception of truth or falsity. Its neural networks are trying to make their best guess about what should come next. In the absence of any information, it's filling in the gap in a plausible way. But if you read that, you would think it was completely plausible, which means that that falsehood is doubly damaging because it's not just getting things wrong, it's getting things wrong in plausible ways. Essentially, everything we read on the internet is going to be AI generated. That just seems inevitable. But then the training data that these large language models are trained on is also going to be AI generated. Where are we going to be then? What world are we going to be where actually we find it hard to identify authentic human generated data? Where is the data from that's informing our business decisions? We don't remotely have robot hands that are as dexterous as a human hand. And it really feels like that's probably still decades away. We would need really big breakthroughs. So robotic AI is nowhere near human level, which is why we're not at the position of having AI that could do anything that a minimum wage human worker could do.